This is EMS TV and you are watching EMS English News, and here are today's top stories. A major robbery took place in Ratlam, Madhya Pradesh, where criminals dressed as Blinkit delivery boys stole a bag containing Rs 40 lakhs from employees of a businessman. The incident happened on June 29th at around 3 pm in the City Sarai area under Station Road Police Station. After threatening the employees, the robbers escaped on a scooter with the cash. Businessman Manish Patwa told police that the money belonged to his friend Gaurav Sharma, who runs liquor shops in Ratlam. Since banks were closed from June 26 to 28, the cash collected from liquor sales between June 25 to June 28 had been kept safely. Police have registered a case of robbery and criminal intimidation and are investigating the incident.
29 तारीख की बात है। स्टेशन रोड थाना क्षेत्र की घटना है, जिसमें फरियादी ने आकर के रिपोर्ट लिखाया था। वो गौरव मैसर्स के यहाँ काम करता है, मनीष पटवा ने आके रिपोर्ट लिखाई कि मेरा कुछ हिसाब का पैसा था जो मैं देने जा रहा था, जो गौरव मैसर्स के कर्मचारी को दिया था। उसी समय एक ब्लिंकिट की ड्रेस पहन करके आया आदमी वो बैग छीन करके भाग गया।
Congress leader and former MLA Praveen Pathak criticized the Madhya Pradesh government during a press conference in New Delhi. He accused the BJP government of turning the state into a center of corruption over the last 2 decades. Pathak said the Vyapam scam damaged one generation of students and claimed that paper leak cases are now affecting the entire country. He blamed the state government for failing to ensure fair recruitment and examinations. The BJP has not yet responded to these latest allegations. Disturbing incident has been reported from Ujjain district. A woman was allegedly beaten. Her hair was cut and her clothes were torn before she was paraded through the village. Police said the incident happened on June 30th in Aranya Vina village. 11 people including 3 women have been booked. 3 accused have been arrested while others are still being searched. According to police, the dispute is linked to the woman's personal relationship after leaving her first husband. The investigation is continuing. The Madhya Pradesh government has started the recruitment process for 2,548 Anganwadi posts under the Women and Child Development Department. The vacancies include 781 Anganwadi worker posts and 1,767 helper posts. Eligible women can apply online through the MP Online portal until July 13. Preference will be given to women living in the same village or urban ward where the Anganwadi center is located. The recruitment aims to improve childcare and nutrition services across the state. Raisen Collector Arun Kumar Vishwakarma visited an Anganwadi center during the School Readiness Fair 2 program. He sat on the floor with children, talked to them, and even carried some children in his lap. He also spoke with the mothers about learning activities at home. The event was organized by the Women and Child Development Department and Pratham Education Foundation across more than 1,800 Anganwadi centers in the district. The collector said parents, especially mothers, play the biggest role in a child's overall development. The Meghalaya government has approached the Supreme Court seeking cancellation of bail granted to Sonam in the Raja Raghuvanshi murder case. Raja's brother Vipin Raghuvanshi confirmed the development and said the matter may be heard soon. Raja Raghuvanshi, a transport businessman from Indore, was allegedly murdered during his honeymoon in Shillong. Police claim his wife Sonam Raghuvanshi planned the murder with the help of her associates. The case remains under legal proceedings and the final decision will be taken by the Supreme Court. Heavy rain and strong winds affected several districts of Madhya Pradesh on Thursday as the southwest monsoon covered the entire state. In Satna, a large tree fell inside Maharani Lakshmibai Girls' School, trapping 2 young women under the tree and debris. Rescue team quickly reached the spot and safely rescued them before they were taken for medical treatment. A motorcycle and a street food stall near the school boundary were also damaged. Rain was also reported in Bhopal, Indore, Ujjain, Jabalpur, Sagar, Narmadapuram and Rewa, causing waterlogging, traffic disruption and strong winds in many areas. The weather department has advised people to stay indoors during heavy rain, avoid standing under trees and follow official safety warnings.